Hello everyone, how's your weekend so far? I hope it's been good. And anyway, yes, I'm here with another unboxing video, and it's this month's Birchbox, so let's get on with it, eh? This is a lovely box. And it has this botanical print all over it, which is really pretty. So inside, and this month's theme is Let Yourself Grow. So in here, what have we got? Plants are a reminder to stand tall and proud, find your light and grow towards it. Sow your garden full of beauty and happiness and watch it bloom. May you blossom wherever life plants you. That's a nice little sentiment, isn't it? Okay, and we've got a little thing here. We want to see your November Birchbox. And onto what we've got inside, eh? The first thing that we've got is a Kinda Eyeshadow Trio Romantic Rose. And this is a full size one, which retails at £14 for the pot. So that's a nice little pot. The stuff that's made by Kinda always comes in packaging very similar to this. It says this creamy eyeshadow trio is a must-have for your makeup bag. Use the neutral bronze tones if you're looking for a more casual look, or go for the deeper maroon shade for a daring nighttime glam. Whatever your style, this buildable trio has you covered. Preach. We love Kinda's message to be kinder to yourself, be kinder to each other, be kinder to the planet. Okay. And if I can get this lid off. Here we go. Oh. One of them fell out when I opened it. Yeah. I suppose putting less eyeshadow on your skin is being kinder to your body. Okay. Now I've got eyeshadow stuck down my nail. That's a shame. Anyway, that's how it looks. If you try to ignore that big gap in this one. So we've got that one, which is this. That one, which is that one. And maybe if I squish it down a bit, it'll stay there. That one, which is the one that's all busted up. Oh, that's a pity. Okay. Anyway, the next item is Verdetta Green Hemp Mask, which is this one. Is your T-zone extra shiny? Do you often get pimples or blackheads? That means that more than likely you have oily combination skin, but don't worry. This purifying face mask formulated with kaolin and cannabis extract to help absorb excess sebum, refine skin texture and remove impurities will be your new best friend. The full size of this, which this isn't the full size, retails at $12.45 a tub. Did you know hemp extract is perfect for oily skin because it moisturises without clogging your pores and regulates your skin's oil production? Let's have a little sniff, eh? That is actually really nice. I nearly got it on my nose. I was just looking for the little air pocket, which is usually at the top of a tube of product, and maybe there isn't one on this one. Anyway, yeah, that is a very gentle smell, and I think I'm probably going to be using that this afternoon. Next up, we've got Percy and Reed Hold It Right There Stronghold Hairspray, the full size of which retails at £12.50. This superfine mist is the perfect balance between firm and flexible. Out with crunchy hairspray and in with the strong hold for updos and natural movement for all your hairstyles. Psst, this hairspray also provides heat protection and can be applied before using styling tools. Talk about a multitasker. Guess what? Percy and Reed was created by two of London's leading hairdressers. You're in safe hands. And it always comes in quite nice packaging as well. Don't know if you can, how well you can see that. But give it a little. As hairsprays go, that's quite a neutral fragrance. It's definitely not unpleasant, but if I go anywhere this side of ever again, I'll use it and give it a go. But yeah, I'm not really going out anywhere still at the moment. Okay, anyway, next up, Daily Concepts Multifunctional Soap Sponge Aloe Vera, and this is the full size one in this box, which retails at £6. This 2-in-1 soap sponge hybrid tool combines a moisturising aloe vera soap with a mild exfoliating scrubber, so you can skip a step and product in the shower. Expect to feel satisfyingly smooth and squeaky clean after using. Wow, this sponge will last for roughly 60 uses before you need a replacement. And this is the product. That actually smells quite strong. It's not very often I can smell things through the packaging, but I can smell this. It's got a very fresh smell. I didn't really want to open it because I won't be using it just yet. But, you know, I'm most likely going to be having a shower tonight, so I might as well, hadn't I? I've had various soap sponges in my Birchboxes, and they've always been really good. Last well. Really nice on skin, and I don't think this one's going to be any different. It looks a bit like, well, you can see it, it looks very like a green gelatin soap on that side. Let's see if, and then if you turn it round, you can see the texture of the sponge there. So yes, I'm definitely going to give this one a go tonight. Maybe even later this afternoon, depending on when I get a shower. And yes, that does look like a good thing. Next up, we've got Nook's Organic Essential Antioxidant Serum. This soothing organic serum utilises the antioxidant properties of chia seed extract to protect your skin from everyday harsh external factors and vitamin C to promote natural radiance. Apply before your moisturiser every morning and night for a refreshed and radiant glow. Yes, Nooks help reduce help reduce their impact on the environment by creating eco-friendly jars. This spares nearly 1,500 trees per year. Okay, the full size of this product sells at £36 per bottle, and it's a dropper bottle. This is the sleeve that the sample came in, but it's fallen out in the box, and that is here. So you can see it's got a dropper, very much like the full size bottle. And let's have a little sniff. Right, so it's a pull lid, not an unscrew lid. You just need to make sure that you pull it up very carefully. Oh, that's a very slim pipette. Not really much of a fragrance, but you can see how you're going to dip the pipette in and use the drops that come on the end of it there. I'll put that one back in the bottle because I'm not going to be using it yet. Anyway, you just need to make sure that you do recap it firmly so that you don't lose any product if you put your bottle back into your Birchbox until you use it. Inside here as well, we've got a flyer for Bloom and Wild. Show them you care wildly and send a free candle with your gift. Who will you surprise? Christmas isn't Christmas without our favourite people. That's why we've teamed up with Birchbox to help you light up someone's season like they do yours. Use the code below to get a free candle sent with your next Bloom and Wild gift. And there's a code there to get a free candle when you next shop with the code, which is below. Visit bloomandwild.com/birchbox or get the app. Okay, now I don't know if this is going to be a different code for each flyer, so because I'm going to be using it myself, I'm not going to put the code onto the description downstairs. But yes, that's the flyer for that. Pretty little picture of a Christmassy seasonal arrangement. Right, that's it for this particular Birchbox. And we've got an advert for the Christmas shop on the back here. The countdown to Christmas has begun, and along with it, the search for the perfect gift. As always, we want to offer our help in making your loved ones happy this Christmas, and to do so, we have transformed our website to cater to your shopping needs. And there's a QR code as well that can be used to access the Birchbox Christmas site. So pop that back in there and put these items back in as well. It's all bar that with the pot of eyeshadow. I mean, it is nice eyeshadow. You can probably see those colours better if I do that. They're very quite muted, neutral type colours. What's this? Oh, I thought I felt something on the bottom of the box earlier on, but then I thought that I felt something that wasn't there, but actually there's that's a pity. So yeah, a damaged box and a damaged product. Yeah, bit of a shame that, because it is a lovely looking box. Anyway, so that's it for the November Birchbox. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So yes, do look after yourselves, look after each other. Weather's a little bit changeable out there, so you know, take your brolly, make sure you've got your gloves with you, but just wear a jacket that's not very heavy, because it still has a tendency to be maybe a little bit warm. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video, folks. My name's Jean, and it is mostly unboxings that I do on this channel. So yeah, do take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.